Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lagging and slow performance issues on Windows 11. If your computer feels sluggish, apps take forever to open, or everything just seems to freeze, don't worry, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to speed it up. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that launch automatically when your PC starts. Disable anything you don't need running in the background. This alone can make a big difference. Next, click on the Start button and type Adjust the Appearance Windows. Select Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. In the Performance Options window, choose Adjust for Best Performance, or select Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Then click Apply and OK. This reduces unnecessary animations and improves speed. Sometimes your PC slows down simply because it's packed with old files and temporary data. To clear things up, press Windows plus R, type cleanmgr, and hit Enter. That opens the classic Disk Cleanup tool, where you can remove temporary files, system cache, and other junk that builds up over time. When the window appears, select the drive you want to clean, usually your C drive, and click OK. Windows will take a few seconds to scan for files you can safely delete. Once it's done, make sure to check the boxes next to Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, and System Cache. Then click OK and confirm to delete them. Sometimes your system just needs a quick refresh. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape again to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. This refreshes the interface without restarting your whole PC. And that's it. After doing these steps, your Windows 11 PC should feel much faster, smoother, and more responsive. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Windows 11 tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.